So, the footage from the beginning of this trip here has unfortunately corrupted. So, we're going to just basically start off, we're in St. Augustine right now. We're going to start off the vlog as if we're starting in St. Augustine, not Brunswick. We only lost about 2 days, but still. Yeah, it's a bummer, but it's currently really raining and cold outside, but maybe tomorrow morning I'm going to get the footage that I got of St. Augustine, because that was pretty cool. So, yeah, here we are in St. Augustine. It's a cold day. We've been spending the past 2 days here, and that's that. Once again, this bridge height is 63 foot right now at almost high tide. We need 64 foot to get under it, so we have to wait another couple hours for the tide to drop out. It's been a reoccurring theme in the ICW these past couple days. We've had a really strong blow causing the tides to be abnormally high, combined with a moon that is pulling the tides more, so high tides are actually pulling it more like a 64 foot versus 65 foot, which is the average in the ICW bridges. So yeah, we have 2 hour wait here, and then we can hopefully continue on, but this is probably about third or fourth time we had to anchor and wait for the bridge to change. We're about 2 hours in, and it's dropped probably about 1.5 feet, so we still have to wait till it gets down to 63 right now. So check back in about 30 minutes and hopefully it should drop. pulled up to accompany us here at our anchorage. just got some studying done, and so now we're gonna go to Publix. We're gonna go downtown and take Shadow for a little walk, and then we're gonna go to this tree. Well, that was fun tonight. So tomorrow we're gonna be headed down to Key Largo, essentially. So this is the end of the vlog here. And yeah, I'll see you next vlog.